Hello there, YouTube. I am Lewis from Coolcast Films. Right, hang on, let's turn this off. I turned it on a sec. Well, unless you can hear it, it's audio. You know, where it does it back to you. It kind of, you know, sound should be in here. Yeah, it repeats back what I do, which is quite annoying. Right. Properties. Listen. No, thank you. Thanks. Brilliant. I cannot hear myself no more. So anyway, today, hopefully this is recording. Anyway, even if it's not, we're gonna create some cool things. We are going to do a YouTube series of some Java. Not sure if that was making a noise. So anyway, you want to get Eclipse and the Java development kit. I recommend you go over. That should be pretty self-explanatory. You download Eclipse and the Java development kit. If not, search for a video. I know there's one on the new boss that does that. But anyway, today we're going to create a little application in Java to say hello world. Now, something that I do, but not everybody does, is once I've made my project, I make a package, and I usually name my package Malcolm.what I'm doing, so it's a YouTube series, so Malcolm.youtube.whatever, and then a package is kind of somewhere to hold it instead of just holding stuff inside your source file. Yeah, basically, best way to explain it. Now, once you created your package, you want to create a class. A class is where you code all your stuff. So I'm going to call mine main. You can call it start or main class. So let's call it main class. So anyway, in main class, oh, by the way, this just defines what package it's in, that line, and then this kind of, you put all the code inside here. Unless you're importing something, you do that here, and you do import, right. So first of all, when you're coding in Java, you can't do things like, if you're going to code in HTML, you go whatever like that, and then something like that, don't you? Or it's been ages since I coded in HTML, but that's like your paragraph, isn't it? Well, in Java, your paragraph's a bit different. It's system.out.print, or because I like to do it, it starts a new line every thing you print. You can do print line, or you can do just print normally, and when you do another one, it'll kind of join the same line, if you see what I mean. So yeah. And then system.out. Sorry about this, guys. Get back to that later, but yeah. So that's kind of how you do that. Don't know what was happening there, but anyway, you're gonna do something called system.out.print line. Then you've got to put a semicolon after each one. And then inside here we are going to put hello YouTube, and this will output hello YouTube into the console. What's going wrong here? I want to know. Maybe it's something to do with my API. Okay, hang on. I'm just going to have a quick look through this. Yeah, it should. Right, hang on. There is nothing wrong with that line, so I think when we run it... Oh, not an applet. Oh, hang on guys, I forgot something. And it is public static static void. Now, when you're running Java programs, it needs to know what you want to run. So the first thing that it wants to run is the main, which has to have something string args in it. I don't know why, and I've never known why. I should have probably looked it up. It's probably something to do with the arguments it has to throw. In fact, I think it's pretty self-explanatory in the name that it has to do something similar. Right, so that fixes it. Right, I was just being dumb. So yeah, anything you do in the main will run, basically. So it's gonna get harder to explain as we go along. So I'm just gonna run it. Yeah, as you can see, it says hello YouTube. Now, if I was to put exclamation mark at the end there, save it. Oh, now I can actually use this button to run it. It says hello YouTube with an exclamation mark at the end. I can make it in capitals. It honestly does not matter. It basically does what you type in there. Right, I think that's about enough for this video. I think really we don't really need much more to talk about. We've made a basic hello YouTube thing. We went through an error there because I'd forgotten to add in the main. And in the next one, I'm going to talk about methods. I think, no, I'm going to talk about strings. And a string is basically something like this. You can have, well, you'll find that in the next video. I'm just going to leave that there. Oh, actually, you may want to do this too. Actually, put it at the top here, but do a public string D. Let's put that there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.